grab onto the shell, and that really works nicely. So now I'm going to carefully push this over to the side, and you'll see that's exactly how I did this one. Now I've centered that one. I put this one at an angle so I can hang this on a catty corner like this. The only thing I have left to do, and if you look at this nice and closely, you'll see all that little bit of gold dust, all our mica, all our gold glitter in there, and those glass beads, so it becomes really beautifully reflective. And I love this. So now the only thing I have left to do is to put a cord on here. Now I have some leather cording. You could use satin ribbon. You can do whatever you want. If you want, this shell happens to have a little hole in the back. I could stick a holly sprig in there if I wanted to make it super Christmassy. If you want to make this something that is year-round, don't pick seasonal colors.